Now this is something maybe unusual, but you should try it. It's to get the fingers, the right hand, more flexible. Look what I do. You play like this, and you stretch the finger up as far as possible on every string. Really stretch. Let's do it. Do the next two fingers this way, M and I. Let's say 4 times. Doesn't move, and the finger will stretch out. See, this is working these muscles here. These ones get a lot of work. These ones can, if they are more fit, everything's more fit. We did that. Let's do it just one more time now. Feel every part of your finger working. the idea is to stretch it this way, yeah? Now to do this finger, we can either do, we can use the little finger. There's no reason, the books all say you never play with the little finger. No, why? It's not, I always do this when I do. I always do it with the little finger. The thing is that if you don't practice stretch it, this one doesn't develop fully because they are very connected. If you want this finger stronger, practice this one. So look, you can do. To stretch the thumb, we put all 4 fingers here on the 3rd string. No. Trying not to, as minimum movement here. Don't forget these little things because we've done two. The one other thing to do is we've done this before. Support here. Here is the Kesspunkt. No. Now, just from the look, just test your fingers now. How do they feel after a while? Do you notice the difference? And all we did was walk like soldiers, you know. This is really effective.